Sa kabila ng kulang-kulang na lineup, balik training na ang Gilas Pilipinas men's basketball team upang ituon ang kanilang atensyon para sa magaganap na FIBA Asia Cup ngayong Agosto sa Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. Para sa detalye, narito ang report ni Paulo Salamadi.
Sasandalan ngayon ni Gilas Pilipinas men's basketball team head coach Tim Cohn ang lahat ng mga available players ng pambansang koponan na kasalukuyang naghahanda para sa magaganap na FIBA Asia Cup ngayong Agosto sa Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. Matapos maputol ang kampanya ng Barangay Ginebra sa Game 7 ng semifinal series kontra San Miguel Beermen, walang balak magpahinga si Cohn sa tungkulin nito sa pambansang koponan na nagnanais na ibalik ang pagiging pamilyar ng mga players sa kanyang sistema na nanggaling pa sa iba't ibang local at international leagues na may kanya-kanyang koponan at sistema. 8 players ang present sa latest Gilas training session nitong Martes sa Ortigas na binubuo ni Dwight Ramos, Carl Tamayo, RJ Abarientos, Troy Rosario, Japet Aguilar, Jamie Malonzo, Justin Brownlee at AJ Edu. Nakitaan din ng presensya ang Gilas big man na si Kai Soto bilang pagsuporta sa koponan kung saan patuloy pa rin ang kanyang proseso ng pagpapagaling sa natamong ACL injury. Sa panayam ng PTV Sports, ibinahagi ni Cohn na bagamat kasalukuyan naglalaro ang ibang mga players sa PBA Finals ng kanilang mother teams, malaking bagay umano para sa kanya na present sa training session ang ilang mga core players ng koponan.
Those are just things that we have to deal with. I mean, I wish they didn't have to play, and I wish we had 3 months of preparation like a lot of the other teams do. But that's not the reality. So we deal with the reality. We deal with what we can control. And right now, you know, we got 8 guys, including RJ and Troy, and we're working with those 8 guys to see if we can get them as good as we can get them. It's a good core of players, though. Justin's here, Dwight's here, AJ's here, so it's a really good core of players that we got here at this point.
Bago ang FIBA Asia Cup, nakatakdang banggain ng Gilas sa tune-up match ang powerhouse Macau Black Bears ngayong July 28 sa Araneta Coliseum, kung saan sinabi ni Cohn na magsisilbi itong basihan ng koponan para sa kanilang mga adjustments.
You know, they're a really strong team, and they've got a load of imports on that team, and you know, like I said, like we've said, they beat the Chinese national team already. So we expect to have a really big battle against them in July 28th. And I think that'll give us an idea of where we are and what we need to go. I'm not sure the availability of Junmar and CJ and Calvin. The finals should be over by that time, but whether they'll be fit to play right away, they might need a few days off. So I'm not sure about them, but we'll be going into with probably 11 guys ready to play against Macau.
Sa ngayon, magpapatuloy ang arawang pag-ensayo ng pambansang koponan bago lumipad patungong Jeddah sa susunod na buwan. Nalalagay ang Pilipinas sa bracket Group D ng FIBA Asia Cup na kinabibilangan ng mga bansang New Zealand, Taiwan at Iraq. Paulo Salamatin para sa Atletang Pilipino, para sa Bagong Pilipinas.